RWERU KAUNTY ya Meru RWANGI rwa mirongo inana na ithandatu ruguritwe ndani ya mall nene ya Greenwood. Naivas nkuruki-ini rigirito kugurira arimi ma Meru into ciao na nkinyagia kuba Meru kana akarima Meru wira. Muthuri Murioki atwire nkuruki.
Ya muthia Brunandi supermarket ya Naivas nekinyite ndene kaunti Meru ikinyite mutindirio kangangi RWANGI rwa mirongo inana na ithandatu ndene Kenya. Akiaria bisa munene wa ngwataniro ya Meru Central Union anya ndene kaunti Meru Kenneth Gitonga urekinya ukai mugeni wa gitio gikurugura supermarket yezi au gitini gikeno gikinene kuna supermarket yeri guri ndene kaunti Meru nonto ntuko ne bagura iria ngurukirita ngiri 30
ndenda kuga itorite biashara na Naivas program yake 5 na antu babega ibatogora iria leo kinya litangiri 30 o muthenya na ingwetikia branch ikongera gisi cietu cieria na limbetu beria bagatetheka.
Akiaria Uri Kimani murungamiri wa biashara ndene supermarket hizi cha Naivas au gikeno gikinene ikitho into bibingi bia bikotho bikendwa aja bikotho bikwene kaunti Meru.
We are happy and this is actually coming in as we're just about to open 4 more. So before the end of this calendar year we'll be having 90 stores. But this is our main opening. This is actually what you're calling our main focus opening, and we are very keen because we have always bought a lot of agricultural items from here. We have very many of our employees from here. We have always somehow had ourselves intertwined with a greater central community, but we have not had a footprint in this particular market.
Ingoira andoba Meru supermarket yeje Naivas supermarket yenjaga baturugore tamburaji 86 nondo batena customers kabe nangoke njaga na customer ibo benda ningwetikia bwa jaja ukagwire bindo byao. Otherwise let us atoba support na ndobe toba let us produce tore na indo bya Meru byendwa supermarket yeje na supermarket management tukubaromba baitengo na local community bandigana bakora indo bya Meru na Meru ya Meru economy Meru yugire general
kurugurira Meru ande tukutegera mawa tutegera na nyuki na isioro na RWANGI kenda Meru yetu anabona ngugi supplier bomba kuendia matunda jao avocado marigo na kila kitu kenda huo ha Naivas kwa narua ndenda kugurwa guku nene muno kuleta kana gakanja na bado hii ni mwanzo tu nkabuletera bangi baba ingi na baba ingi
aga ibonde supermarket nene ikijandene kaunti Meru na kuinga indibope na wirigirwa ati supermarket hizi iketho ikara wakitaga karaja gutungatira mu Meru.
It's a market that has been tough. We have had 3 competitors. All the main 3 chains have actually opened here and they are not here anymore. And here we are now as a Kenyan brand coming to say that we are actually going to stay here, be here for the longest can be, to be able to tell that Kenyan story that indeed a Kenyan supermarket can come and work with the community, be able to actually buy from the community, employ from the community, create an ecosystem within the community and be able to grow quite a bit.
Reporter RURWERU TV Muthuri Murioki.